Okay.
But you gotta get it hard enough to scar it, but not too hard to break it.
Are you ready?
That is not hard enough.
Do it the first time.
No shit.
Oh, that's not hard enough. Let's just... Okay, one more. Do it. Do it.
Do it hard the first time.
Do it hard. Okay, move. I mean it. You gotta move this hand back. You need help with that hand? How do I do it again?
You're gonna hold a hand. You feel sorry now.
Hit save. Save. And then no. No.
Oh
And then hit
shit.
that button again. It's okay. One. Ready? Two. Ow!
Oh, that should do it.
Oh, that hurt me.
Did you break it? Ice! Medic! Ice!
No, I didn't bring any lidocaine with the shirt. No.
Ice!
Okay.
Are you done?
Robin. I'm okay. You alright?
Oh, she's crying now.
No.
Is it down?
Yeah.
Is it broke?
It's okay. It's gone. Thank you, God.
Is it really gone? Is it really gone?
I don't know. You gotta bend it.
It's way down. See?
There's big. Can you move your thumb?
I hit save,
Can you move your
and I
thumb?
hit yes, and then it did that. I don't know.
Can you wiggle your thighs? It's
Yes.
broken. Oh
You
jeez.
don't want the ice? He's hardcore.
You want to soak it in some vinegar now?
No.
You want another shot? Yes, yes.
I have a drink. Oh, gosh.